Good morning, gang. It's the Drunken One, and it's a brew day. Alright, gang, today's the day. We are going to, so I've got a stout and a Pilsner in the mix in the house there. Today we're going to do an Irish Red. This is going to be a kind of like a Belhaven, Scottish, Belhaven Street, kind of like a clone. This is going to be our mash right here. So it gives us a total of 11.5 pounds times 1.25 quarts per pound divided by 4 equals. That's our sparge water. Okay, so we're going to put just over 3.5 gallons of water in the old HLT, and we'll get started. See you in a minute. Let's try this again. Okay, so I'm looking for 175, and we're at 172 up there. So I'm going to underlet into here, and this is our grains. Only a 5-gallon batch this time, so it ought to be a little quicker. It's going to be that Irish Red, like we spoke about. Let me get back to you here in a second. Nothing to see here. Just underlet. Water comes up. I'll switch it around a little bit. Let it sit for an hour. Actually, it might run a little bit warmer. What I was just saying before I realized that I wasn't recording is yesterday I was wearing shorts and it was 72 degrees. This morning it's 45 degrees. Brr. So now it's a stocking cap and a sweater thing, and I gotta stay warm here. But it's gonna be a beautiful day. You can see my glasses are dark already because the sun is shining through, so all is well. Okay, I'll catch up with you in a minute. In a minute. Be back. Right, gang. Pardon the noisy burner. Okay, doing a little Barlow. Gonna see what she looks like. This is just water here. You're not seeing this, are you? Just got just water here. And it looks like the beer's coming out now, so we're gonna pause it just for a second, ditch this. Alright, here we go. I don't know if y'all see that done. Anyway, looks like we got plenty of grains in there. I'll show you here in a second. Sure hope the beluga didn't come apart. I've had that happen before. Nothing better than having to empty out your whole mash tun. This was supposed to be red. What happened? Alright. Show you what we got. Look a little something like that. Boy, we got a lot of floaties in there. Put those back in. We'll do it again. Well, maybe I know nothing about red ales, but this doesn't look so red. I mean, you can see the color of it necessarily. I mean, maybe it's kind of reddish. Anyway, we're starting the sparge. We're trickling in there now. We're at about 180. Oh, shut it off. Yeah, about 180, and we're gonna sparge it on out, and we're collecting it over here in the other kegel, in the brew kettle. So I'll see y'all in a minute after we get this little more completed. It'll be about an hour or so if I sparge it right. I know how cracked the valves need to be to make it flow the right way, and it's just a matter of making sure the mash tun doesn't run dry, and good to go. So I put 11.5 gallons or 11.5 pounds of product, so we needed 5.75, which is 2 quarts per pound for sparge water, and we're going to pull up about 7 gallons, which to this 5 is at the first little rib, 7 is approximately there, and then we'll start our boil. Not like those 10-gallon batches, is it? Where it's more like up to here. Well, 10 is obviously here, but I fill it to about here, and you definitely gotta watch for that boil over, for that hot break. All right, catch y'all in just a little bit. Well, I guess it kind of does look red, sort of. After it gets piled up in here, you can get piled up. I mean, after it starts puddling, you can kind of see it's got a reddish tint, I guess. All right. See you in a bit. All right, I'm back. Did you miss me? All is going well. All right, so all the sparge water has gone through the mash tun. I got my 7 gallons. Pretty darn close. I'm just below it, but I'm supposed to be a 10.52. I'm a 10.55. So I'm going to keep running it until I get down to that 10.52, which I know when I boil it down is going to increase it more, but I'll have plenty of volume by then. So if I hit my original gravity pre-boil, then everything else is extra. So that's what I'm going to do, and so I'm going to keep on keeping on. I've got the 7 gallons here, just right below it. So yeah, like I said, I'm just going to keep running it out. The mash tun is getting pretty dry. Mash tun's getting pretty dry, which is a good thing, you know. And so I'm just going to get every bit that I can out of it until I make it down to the 5.2. Like I said. All right. See you in a bit. All is well. Woo-hoo. Didn't get much warmer out. It's got kind of cloudy a little bit, but yeah. Come on inside. All right, one sure way to get your kettle boiling is look away for just a second. I didn't have any troubles, but going through the hot break as we speak. Oh no, you're fogging up. Sorry, guys. So going through the hot break, monitoring the heat very carefully at this point. This new burner, I think y'all seen it in the other video. If you didn't, go back and look. This new burner is badass. It's a good one, boy, I tell you that. It'll go from 0 to 100 in no time at all. All right, we made it past the hot break, and it's time for the hop drop. Nothing fancy, nothing to see really, but I'll show you anyway. These are 1 ounce packages, and I took 1/4 ounce out of there for the second hop drop. These are the first ones. They are Fuggles. They are acceptable for use in English style ales. Excellent hoppiness in late editions. It's 5% alpha acids. Blam. Both packages, 1 3/4 ounces in the brew. All right, guys. Okay. See y'all in a bit. Gonna set the timer again for the next drop. Smells good. Smell? You can't smell it. Alright, see you in a bit. Well, I tried real hard to help y'all see this. I don't know how y'all guys do that. Right now, it is at 0, 0, 0. You go, oh my, what happened? Recalibrated the sucker. It was about 12 points higher. So yeah, we're gonna try this again. That could have a lot to do with a lot of things, actually. Last time that my thermometer was wrong, so I ended up getting a new one. That seemed to make a difference. And I've calibrated this before, but I guess it's been a while ago. Okay. Remember we just dropped in the last hops there. We got to set the timer for another 15 minutes or so. I'm going to drop in the chiller here in just a second. All right. Chiller goes in. Y'all seen it before. And down yonder way. I got to get it in, get the hosing around here. And so we're going to chill her on down. Get close to being done. And still got, oh, she's going to start in there. All right, so Stevie in there. Looks along the lines of about 6 gallons still. Maybe just a smidge and less. Oh, not buggy. Okay. So this thing still says 62. That's 10 points high. Supposed to have been 52. Whew, buggy. Supposed to have been 52, so I don't know. Again, I'm doing the keg thing now, so I don't really need any more than 5 gallons, so I guess it's going to end up a little stronger than it should. Any other times, I had an abundance of bottles. I just don't feel like bottling anymore. Isn't that terrible now? I'm spoiled to the keg. Anyway, I'll be bottling at some point. But, so we're 10 points high. That's good. Gonna toss the cooler in, like I said, and I need to get that done. And so, I'll catch you when it's cooled down. You know, you're not really missing anything. I'm gonna run a bunch of water through the coil, and I'll let you see it, I guess, when I get it going to the fermenter. So, it'll be a while before I see you. All right. Alrighty. Alrighty. After it cooled down, I guess I got a different measurement with the refractometer. I'm not sure what happened. Usually it doesn't make a difference. It's only 3 drops on a piece of glass. Oh, y'all probably cannot see me. I so look like a negative. Anyway, I ended up with 1057. Yeah, 1057 is what it looks like. This must have been 1052. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how it was showing so much higher a while ago. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, if this is right, I am just above where I'm supposed to be, and so all is well. I'm going into Carboy here. It's a beer on beer. I just caked a couple things yesterday, so this was actually a blonde beer, kind of like a Budweiser clone, so I'm just doing yeast on yeast, or beer on beer, yeast on yeast. And so there we are, and I guess that completes the brew day. Can y'all see me? Okay, that's better, I think. All right, so that completes the brew day. Looks like we were just a few points high, which is all right, and definitely got the volume. It was closer to about 6 gallons, I think. We'll find out when this thing is full. This is a 6-gallon carboy, and so it should fill it up pretty good. And I got airlock with some Star Sand over there, and we'll pop it back on. And I got the box to it, and so what I do is first of all, you seen it was in a milk crate. I just cover it with the original box it came in. After cutting a hole in the top, goes over the thing. The airlock pokes through the top, and so I can kind of monitor it. So that's what I do. All right, guys. Been a good brew day. Thanks for coming by. Happy holidays. Y'all be careful. Drive safe. If you're drinking, don't drive. If you're driving, don't drink. I know that's kind of. Anyway, you get the idea. I guess that's it. May the force be with you, and adios. Cheers from the Drunken One.
Like, comment, and subscribe.